Hey, friends, Tyler Jeffcoat, seller accountant. And the question that was submitted to us this week that I want to tackle is this one. Here's exactly how it was worded. Do I need a CPA to do my small business accounting, or is a regular bookkeeper enough? And there's actually a couple of questions hidden in this question that I want to unpack for us quickly, and I'll give you my opinion on it. So we're really talking about two really important accounting functions. We've got tax preparation, and we've got kind of bookkeeping or management accounting. My degree's in accounting. I'm an accountant. I do not prepare taxes. My area of expertise and my focus is in bookkeeping for e-commerce brands in particular and in CFO stuff. As a result, I don't do my own taxes. So the first part of this question I want to unpack is being a tax preparer. There are a couple of different ways to be the kind of tax preparer that can deal with the IRS on behalf of clients. One of them, and the most popular one, is probably being a CPA, being a certified public accountant. But there's actually another really popular designation called an enrolled agent. And so for me, even as an accountant, by the way, I used to file my own taxes, and then I started getting into business, and I had an enrolled agent file my taxes for me for several years. And as my business interest and the things I owned got a little bit more complicated, I decided to partner with a CPA to help me file my taxes each year, and I'm very happy with the CPA. I'd be happy to refer you to him if you're looking for one. So that's the tax part of this. We have to find a professional who specializes in the kind of taxes that we're looking to get filed. For me, as the owner of multiple small businesses, I wanted to hire a CPA because I don't even like taxes and they do it for me. The second accounting question is really the bookkeeping, controllership, management accounting side of it. And again, I would encourage you to think about it just like I told you to think about it with the CPA question, which is, do I want a regular bookkeeper? I would say as an e-commerce brand, the answer is probably no. I don't want a regular bookkeeper. I want a bookkeeper that understands my business type, right? And that bookkeeper probably isn't going to be a CPA because most CPAs are actually practicing in the middle of a tax practice. And they're not focused on bookkeeping, and they're certainly not focused on e-commerce bookkeeping. So, again, on the bookkeeping front, I'd love to find a team or a person or somebody that I can hire, someone I can train that actually understands how to do the bookkeeping that I need for my business type. Of course, as an e-commerce brand, that is e-commerce bookkeeping. And of course, that's what Seller Accountant does. So we'd love to help you. But again, to get back to the question, do I need a CPA or can I get away with just a regular bookkeeper? I don't know that you need a CPA, although I recommend a CPA. You could have an enrolled agent go to the IRS on your behalf instead of a CPA. I don't want to skimp. This is just me as a business owner. I don't want to skimp on getting a really good tax planner and preparer because I can save a lot of money not paying taxes if I can have the right person representing me and doing my planning. That is separate from getting your books in order in the correct way, given that you're an e-commerce brand. And again, I wouldn't recommend just hiring any old bookkeeper to do that. I would want to make sure I hire someone who actually understands this kind of bookkeeping. Do they understand what FBA fees are? Do they understand what a clawback is? Do they understand what merchant credits are within Shopify? And do they understand how to do cost of goods sold and inventory and that kind of stuff? If you do those things, both on the tax side and on the bookkeeping side, you're going to be in great shape, but it is two distinct functions. So again, I'm Tyler Jeffcoat from Seller Accountant. Hey, if this video serves you or any of the videos that you see on the Seller Accountant channel, it would actually help me if you would like the video and feel free to share them with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. We are really trying to kind of get the word out about what we do. And if any of the content that we put out serves you, it would just serve us if you'd like the content. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Feel free to comment. I do respond to the comments personally. Take care.